I'm deciding whether I want to have sex with this girl or not.
She's kind of annoying. So I'm not too sure what I should do. Oh, what's over yonder? Gun. Banana forker? The fuck is that? What is this? Skunk gas snorkel? Let's pick that up. Ninja booties? I don't really know what any of this shit does. Literally, like, what you guys are seeing right now is literally, like, my first impression of this game. Armor level 3? I've never seen anything like that. Saw impossible tape. Let me get the SMG. Armor level 3. Okay. Anything cool? I heard somebody. Holy shit. He went in here. He dropped his cracked shit. Oh my fuck! I want to start throwing hands, dude, with these fucking animals. I'm a little fucking bored, dude. Always nice to meet a fan. You don't recognize me? The most renowned labs operating in the lab. Sorry. I even have my own secret lab. Can I trust? Ah, fuck. I just want to win one game. Shit. Some guns. I got one gun. Armor. Alright, we're set. Just gotta outplay everybody I see. Health juice. Hell yeah, you know me. I like health and juice. Okay. Magnum. I'm gonna try to play a little passively this game. Bananas? What the fuck? Eat coconut to recover health instantly. More tape. What is this? Dogma's dart gun. Sure, what does a dart gun do? Ooh, I can get a Kimbo. I think I might do that. Yes, sir! It's pretty cool. Some tape. Nope. Alright. Let's More tape. Ammo. Big thing of health. Don't do shit. TBH. Alrighty, I saw a ball over here somewhere. Maybe. Ball. No ball. Get to the circle of life. I get it. It's because we're animals. Oh, this guy. Okay, what is that? Thomas gun. Ooh, just got some more ammo. Oh, bitch, he's running away. 20 players left. Alright, easy peasy. Easy peasy. Squeezy lemons. We use duct tape. Oh. No! Fucking N-word. I don't know how to heal. I really don't. I don't fucking know how to heal. Super cat. Be a super cat. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Super fast. Woo. Get a green bow tie. Wow. This is amazing. Fires. I get a little marshmallow. Yes, dude, I look so cool already. This shit has content. Dude, there's so many people that have like fucking OnlyFans now. Like it's actually profitable, not even in a front, which is bad. Like people are ditching their jobs to go fucking to do that. No, I don't want to drop it. Oh, I really don't know how to heal. I've been just trying to shoot people, but that don't really be working. Carry 2 SMGs. What? What? What the fuck?
It's a match.
I know nobody. Page 2. Hi, Lindsay. I'm pretty sure half the people on Tinder right now are just trying to fuck. I know I am. Claw boots, come on. Come on, come on, skedaddle. Holy moly, they got a bunch of shit. Can I I fucking slipped. Oh man. Woo-wee. Get dualies. Yes, sir. Super skunk. Gas. I probably gotta get going. Ooh. He's up there. I just want to dip. Oh. Nice find. Delivery mole has arrived. Oh, is that like a care package? What? Ammo. Poison darts? Sparrows. They just find random shit. It's pretty dope if you don't have anything. That's a good idea, honestly. Somebody died. Okay. May or may not be around. Ah, yeah, man. Can I heal? I bet. Full health. I'm gonna take this thing. This is pretty useful. It's like a little shield, like a car. Fuck! Oh my god! I just spent. Ah! Carl coins? What? So unfortunate, man. This bitch is looking to make friends and finds the people to revive me. This bitch is all as shit. Dude, imagine being a girl and like being 6 foot plus. Holy shit. That kind of sucks. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Alright. CRISPR Cafe. I want to land over in this. Whoopa! Better. Whoop. Better. This one. Oh man. Oh god, that was unfair though. Sucks to suck, loser. I hit him a couple times. No fucking way! I hit him so many times. Oh my god. Barely alive.